Let's understand what are agents in Qolaba. Agents are like specialized AI assistants that come with predefined instructions and context. By default, the chatbot operates as your personal assistant, meaning the model already acts as a general-purpose assistant for your queries. To explore more specialized agents, go to the Input area and click on Personal Assistant. Here, you'll find a list of pre-built agents, such as Marketing Strategist, Expert Copywriter, Digital Marketing Specialist, and more. Each agent is designed for a specific use case. Let's try one. Select the Marketing Strategist agent. Now enter a prompt like, "What kind of content is currently performing best on platforms like Instagram and TikTok for new app launches?" For this type of strategic and trend-based question, select a model like Grok, which is well-suited for generating insight-driven and practical responses. The agent now responds using its built-in expertise along with the selected model, giving you a more contextual and structured output. So instead of manually guiding the model every time, agents help you get consistent, high-quality results tailored to your use case.